The Kern 686 offline document inserting system feeds documents from 2 different stack stations, each with its own folding unit. Folding and collation take place from either side. It is possible to read codes printed on the underside of documents. Enclosures are deposited in the crease of folded documents, just as if you were stuffing envelopes by hand. The patented steel insertion pocket carefully transfers the main document into an envelope. Nothing can remain in an envelope when its contents are removed. All steps are monitored electronically. For special cases, extra output pins are available. The Kern 686, for high endurance production, simple to operate.